This is a video showing us testing the resistance of a resistor which is connected to some copper foil. We're talking about ohms. That's the way we measure resistance. This is a multimeter. If we set it to ohms, it shows 0 because these are not touching. If we connect to the resistor here and here, we get a number. I'll show you what that number is. The resistor is supposed to be a 220 ohm resistor. It shows 221.5 because it's going through, the current is going through the copper and there's some resistance there. Now if I touch each of these wires, then my number is closer to 220. That's resistance in ohms.